Hi friends, it's day 20 of our wisdom secret from the book of Proverbs. I hope this has been blessing you so much. I'm delighted for the comments. I'm delighted for the things that you're learning from this series. Today we're looking at Proverbs chapter 20 from verse 13. It said, if you spend your time sleeping, you will be poor. Keep busy and you will have plenty to eat. I think this is just so direct. If you spend your time sleeping, you will be poor. You don't wake up every day and believe that at every opportunity you have, you just want to sleep and sleep and sleep and sleep. Excuse me, what value are you offering to the world that will determine that you would be able to make wealth? That's why the Bible even says that. The Bible even says something that he that does not work does not deserve to eat. He that does not work should not eat. So a lot of people are so deceived by their desire, longing, I will make it. And they keep making proclamations and praying and expecting that their life will change or someone will just remember them and give them money. I'm sorry to disappoint you. Life does not happen that way. We live in a world of exchange. You have to give out something to get something back. You have to always give out value to be able to get the reward of that value back. We live in a world of exchange, a world of sowing and reaping. If you sow nothing, you will get nothing. That's what the Bible says. Keep busy and then you would have lots to eat. It said if you spend your time sleeping, you will be poor. Don't always look for opportunity to just, I want to sleep, I want to sleep, I want to sleep. Some of the people who control our world, they are awake at night when you're sleeping, and you expect that you will come one day and outshine them. It doesn't happen that way. And that's why the latter part said, keep busy, and you would have plenty to eat, and you will even have plenty to give out. Ask yourself right now, what are you giving out that will determine that you will not be poor? What are you doing with your hands, with your minds? What are you doing with your connections that will determine that you will not be poor? So keep busy, keep doing things that are positive, valuable, and before you know it, you will have plenty to eat. That's my message for today. I hope this really bless you. Till I come your way again tomorrow, remain exceptional, be the best you can be, and keep changing your world.